Hi Nevada Virtual Academy. This video is to help students organize their desktop and create new folders for their assignments. As you can see, this is the desktop of my computer, and I only have folders for my classes. So I've created one for history, math, science, English, and art. When you go to create a folder, you'll simply right-click with your mouse, press New, and Folder. This icon will pop up and you'll name it for whatever class you need a folder for, and then go ahead and organize it with your other classes. Once you're ready to upload a document and submit it for class, or you need to create a document and save it, you'll want to make sure you put it into the correct folder on your desktop. Then you'll be able to easily locate it when needed. So let's head to Microsoft Word, which I have pulled up here, and my document that I'm ready to turn in. A tip is to make sure that you always have your name, the subject, and the date on your assignments. Each teacher will like their papers set up a different way, so make sure you pay attention to what they're requesting of you. But if they haven't said anything, be sure to have those three things on each of your documents when you turn them in. To save your file, you'll select from the very top left, File, go down to Save As. This will let you rename your assignment and select exactly where it will be saved on your computer. I select Browse, and then I will scroll down until I find Desktop under this PC. There's my desktop with each folder for each class I'm enrolled in. So now I know this assignment is for English, so I'll double select English, and then I'll name my assignment with the subject I'm enrolled in, the name of my assignment, and then my last name at the bottom, unless your teacher has requested you to do it another way. Once you've put all that information in, you can select Save, and now your document has been saved to your desktop inside of your English folder. The last thing I want to talk to you about is turning in your assignment. So I'm going to go and open my web browser and go to k12.com and log in. This is the student landing page that you can see. I'm going to select Classes and head inside of my English classroom so that I can turn in that document we've just created. Once you're inside of your English classroom, go up to the top toolbar and Tools with the drop down to Assignments. Sometimes teachers will call this the drop box. This will open the page where all of your documents can be uploaded for your classes. The next thing you want to do is identify the correct assignment that you're turning in. So I was working on 1.05 graded assignment, so I'll select that. You'll scroll down and select Add a File because we want to attach the document we've created. We've saved it to our desktop on my computer, so we'll select My Computer and Upload. From there, on your left-hand side, remember we're under this PC and then Desktop, and look right there, everything is nice and organized, and I'll be able to open my English folder and select the assignment, and it's very clear what the assignment is and who's completed it. The next step is to add that file. We can see that it is now attached to the correct assignment, 1.05, 1.05. You will then scroll down and select Submit. Once you've turned that in, it will review it for you and let you know that you had turned it in and the date and time. It's also important to make sure that when you download documents or assignments for certain classes that you save them in the correct spot so they're not lost on your desktop. So let's go into 1.05. And I can see here the teacher has some digital materials for me. So let's download this rubric for the assignment. So I'll select it, and you can see my computer automatically downloaded it. So I'll open the file, and now I want to save it to a specific location so that I can refer to it later. Be sure to check at the top if you're in a protected view, enable editing. That way you can save the document where you'd like or type on the document. Once you're ready to save it, you'll select File and Save As, just like we had done before with the document we created. Then Browse and locate your desktop on this PC. This is an English handout, so I'll select English, and I'll say this is my English 1.05 rubric, and save. Hopefully you'll be able to utilize some of these tips and stay organized throughout the school year.